Hello, my friends. So today I want to do something else, and that's my first video with cooking, a la cooking, because it's not going to be any cooking involved in it. So today I went to the grocery store and I got gorgeous pickles. We call them ogórki gruntowe w Polsce, in Poland. You see, I cannot speak Polish and English because if I start Polish, then it's going to be Polish all the way. So yeah, ogórki gruntowe. So this is the smaller version of pickle that you can find in your grocery store for sure whole year round, because in Poland we have them only springtime and summertime. So I remember the ogórki małosolne, because I'm going to do ogórki małosolne tonight, not tonight, today. And the ogórki małosolne, it means, the rough translation in English would be pickles with little salt, and they are ready to eat maybe into 2 days or 3 days. So that's usually when I start them and the next 2 days they are gone. So easy to do and very tasty. Oh my gosh, very tasty. So what you need? You need ogórki gruntowe, so the shorter version of the pickles, not the long, huge cucumbers that you have with the thick skin. So that's the shorter pickling cucumber. You need some fresh dill, a bunch of garlic. So I have garlic already, and few bay leaves, and I got some peppercorns and other spices that, you know, I cannot find everything here in Texas that I need for the ogórki małosolne, the pickles with little salt, but I made them a few times with whatever I can find here, and they are great. So you know, I was taught by my mother how to cook, and in Polish kitchen we don't go by any recipes, we just do the best we can with what we have. So that's the way I'm going to do the pickles with little salt today, and I made them a few times already and they are still delicious. So what you will do with your pickles, of course you have to wash them. So I have already washed them. My dill is washed, my garlic is peeled, and also I have boiled water, and I mixed salt with the water already. So I have everything prepared. So the proportion of water, I don't know how much water I'm going to need for my jar that I have, but the proportion of water and salt is usually 1 liter of water and 1 spoon of salt. And the salt, the best if you have, how they call it, sea salt or some rock salt. Good quality salt, of course. So I got, I don't remember what is the capacity of my jar, but I found in my kitchen nice jar with a little water seal. But for making the pickles you don't need any like seal whatsoever. They can be made in a regular glass jar, they can be made in any stoneware jar, or anything that is tall, and you can cover it, because the only thing the pickles need, they have to be immersed totally in the salty water. So you don't need to have any seal for that. So what I'm going to do, I will start putting my pickles into the jar, and I believe I have around maybe 14 pickles. I don't know how many pounds, but I believe I have 14 or 15 pickles. So that way I will count them again whenever I put them to the jar. So I put them standing up in the jar, So I try to tilt the jar the way so my pickles are not going to fall down. And like one by one, just stick them tightly. And after I put my pickles, I'm going to add all the garlic and dill, and at the end I will pour that salty water over. So my water was boiled, but at this point I believe that water is maybe like 80 degrees of Celsius, so it's going to be oh my gosh, what is that, like, oh god, yeah, the conversion in my head is not going to work, but it's not hot boiling water anymore. It is maybe boiled like 10 minutes ago, so you can imagine how hot it is. Oh, okay. Will I fit one more? Maybe. Let me see. Okay. Maybe one more. Sometimes I even cut them in half if I need to fit one more. And well, no. Okay, so I have 3 small left, and I'm not going to squeeze them in anymore. So let me put them to the side. So I'm grabbing my garlic, and I have maybe I have like 5 big cloves and maybe 5 smaller ones. So it depends how big the garlic cloves are, but garlic you can add as much as you want. I have 4 bay leaves, so I'm going to randomly put the leaves into my jar, like, you know, wherever they go, it's fine. And then I have some peppercorns. I have multicolor, so I'm not, you know, too picky if that's supposed to be black or green or red, whatever. I have like all colors. So that is about it. The last thing I'm going to put is my dill. So in Poland, we would use the dill with the flowers, but like I said, I cannot find all the ingredients here in Texas, and I am going to just add the fresh dill. So my mother would always add like root of horseradish, and of course I cannot get horseradish here, the root of horseradish. I can buy horseradish, but I cannot get the fresh root, and that's the very important. It cannot be processed horseradish. It has to be fresh piece of root of the horseradish, and I cannot get it here. So I'm going to just add whatever I have. So I had the pickles, dill, garlic, some peppercorns, and salty water. So I already mixed the water with salt. I don't know how much water is going to go into the jar. So I have probably approximately 1.5 liters, and I'm going to just pour the water over till the pickles are immersed. And that's, yeah, I was pretty close. Maybe 1 cup of water left. So I can just, you know, use it for something else. So your jar, I like my jar because it is narrowing to the top. So my pickles, even though they want to kind of float in the water, they can't because the jar is narrow. So I don't have to put any weight on top, because this is very important. Like I said, the pickles, they have to be immersed totally in the water for all 2 or whatever days you will keep them on your counter. And if you have jar that is straight and the pickles want to go up, you just need to take small plate or saucer and just try to use some weight so they are not floating on top. But my jar is perfect. The pickles are like in the jail right now. They cannot go up. And I'm going to just cover the jar and have it on my kitchen countertop for 2 or 3 days. And I will revisit the little salty pickles, and I will let you know how they taste in maybe 2 or 3 days, unless they will be gone by that time. So check my Facebook posts, and I will see you later. Bye. Hello again. So it's time to check on my little salty pickles. I think I started them on Wednesday, so yeah, 48 hours passed already, and I am very interested if they are what I expected. So let me see. Oh my goodness, I was waiting for 2 days for you guys. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to fish one pickle from the jar. Okay, come on. Yeah, they are sitting tight. Oh, nice color. So they changed color already. So I'm going to cut them. Oh, yes. And the smell. Okay, I'm going to cut it in fours. Oh my gosh. They smell delicious. And very tasty. So there you go. 2 days. And you can eat your little salty pickles and enjoy them. Very good. Okay. Bye.